Hello, this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury premier real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today I'm about to show you one of my brand new exclusive listings. It's an amazing home. We're here in the beautiful Mar Vista. It's the Dos Rios section. It's lot number 66. It's called Casa Serenity. I can't wait to show you this incredible house today. Enjoy this beautiful property tour with me. Casa Serenity has recently been remodeled. The entire kitchen appliances are brand new, and every piece of furniture that comes with this house is also brand new. They've got these gorgeous, comfortable leather couches and this beautiful dining set as well. This would be such an amazing home to entertain your friends and your family, or a wonderful place to live. Casa Serenity is an ocean view home. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,300 square feet. It comes on a very large lot. There's space to build a whole nother house. It's got an amazing retaining wall, so you could build exactly the same house or maybe even a bigger house, and it comes with a lot below as well. Here in the kitchen, you'll see they've got this gorgeous granite countertop. It's translucent, it's got lights underneath. I love how they brought in the blues, the grays, the whites. You absolutely feel that you're in a tropical place in Casa Serenity. When you come in through the front door, you've got the open living area, and just to the right, you have a powder bathroom that goes out to the pool, and you've got this incredible master bedroom. Come check it out with me. Coastal elegance are 2 words that come to mind for me at Casa Serenity. Here in the master bedroom, it's so romantic. You've got this nice king bed, all brand new, with touches of gold, the blue. You've got an ensuite bathroom, and best of all, you've got patio doors that open up to this incredible view and these wonderful breezes. To the left of the open area, you have the 2 guest bedrooms. Each have queen beds, each have en-suites. This one has an ocean view, this one has a garden view. They're tastefully decorated, they're large enough for guests. This would be an amazing place to raise a family or to come for vacation. This terrace is one of the biggest terraces I've seen. It actually wraps around the side. It's got gorgeous teak ceilings, brand new Hunter fans, and it's got speakers as well. Casa Serenity's pool is absolutely amazing. It's long enough to swim laps, it's got a shallow end to play in or soak up the sun, and best of all, it has these incredible views of the mountain, the Pacific Oceans, and islands. As part of the remodel, they've installed this incredible family fire pit. Imagine cooking s'mores, hanging out, visiting with your friends and family, and the stars would be amazing here. The house is located on Dos Rios number 67. This property also comes with the lower lot, which is Dos Rios 66. The owners bought it to protect their view. However, you can build another house, you can build a garden, you can make a kids' play area, anything you want. The opportunities are endless with this property. The entrance into Casa Serenity is absolutely majestic. You come in and you've got these row of palm trees, and you've got this incredible retaining wall made of volcanic rock. Here, the property actually goes right above them. All these palms belong to this property as well. It gives you total privacy from the neighbors. This section of the property is absolutely huge. It has a retaining wall that's been set up by an engineer. It's structurally designed to be able to hold a second house here. This would be great if you want to have a guest house, a larger house, or even have more space for your kids to play. Mar Vista is a 900-acre community here in Playa Flamingo. We're about 5 minutes away from the beach, 5 minutes away from the brand new Flamingo Marina. You have a school right out front called La Paz, an international school. You've got a restaurant, you've got a great gym and yoga studio, you've got tennis courts, pickleball court, and you've got beautiful hiking and biking trails. If you would like this paradise to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. It would be my true pleasure to serve you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida!